Here is the Americanflat kid artwork frame. Super cute. It has a blue one. So you flip it open. This is glass right here. And you just flip up the little prongs. You could take this out, change it up for another piece of art. It has a little foam thing in case you don't have enough papers to fill it just yet, but little like bungee stretchy straps to hold the artwork in place. So that when you close it, it's not rattling around or anything. I'm one of those, I don't really like a lot of clutter, and so I'm not going to keep art pieces on the fridge forever, so this is kind of the perfect solution. And then you can see on the back, you can hang it up horizontally or vertically. And so I think this is going to be really fun, either in her room, maybe even in the kitchen or something, just to display her artwork when she gets older.